Hi, y'all. So, you're craving Sinugba, but
Oh no.
you don't have a grill, and let's be real, we can't exactly fire up one inside the house. But don't worry, I've got you. Today, we're gonna make Sinugba the easiest way possible, no grill required. Ready for this? Let's do it. First, we're swapping out the grill for something even more magical, banana leaves. Not only do they keep the fish moist, but they add this incredible flavor. Oh, and they're eco-friendly. Mother Nature approved. Next up, our star, fish. You can use tilapia, bangus, or whatever you've got. Fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, great for your heart and brain. Plus, it's super light and full of protein. Who doesn't love that? Now, let's make this fish sing. Chop up some garlic, onions, and tomatoes. This combo is classic, they add flavor and boost your immune system. Seriously, garlic's like your natural bodyguard, tomatoes are full of vitamin C, and onions? They're anti-inflammatory superheroes. But wait, let's kick it up with a pinch of turmeric powder. This golden spice is like a health bomb. Anti-inflammatory, great for digestion, and it gives the fish a nice earthy flavor. Plus, it makes you feel like you're adding a touch of gold to your dish. Fancy, right? Alright, now we wrap this bangus up like a delicious little gift from the sea. Banana leaves not only lock in moisture but also infuse that smoky flavor we're missing from the grill. It's basically nature's steamer. Just pop it on a hot pan, medium heat, and let it do its thing for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. You'll get all that flavor without the need to break out a grill or set off any smoke alarms. Now, what's Sinugba without the perfect dip? You can make calamansi juice, soy sauce, and a little chili for some heat. Calamansi gives you that zesty vitamin C punch, the soy sauce adds that salty umami goodness, and the chili, well, that just kicks it up a notch. Spice things up, right? And look at that. Perfectly cooked, moist, and packed with flavor. It's like you grilled it, but we didn't. Magic? Nope, just banana leaves and a little kitchen wizardry. That calamansi soy sauce chili combo? Perfection. The fish is so juicy, and the turmeric and banana leaves make it taste like you're at a beach barbecue. No grill needed, no stress, just delicious, healthy fish loaded with flavor and nutrients. So, next time you're craving Sinugba but don't have a grill, no worries. Just grab some banana leaves, pile on the garlic, onions, tomatoes, and turmeric, and make it happen. You've got this. And if you like this, hit that subscribe button for more healthy, delicious, and easy recipes.